This is a fantastic opportunity to collaborate across the group. I mean, to have Ashburton, ourselves as RMB, FNB, First Rand Corporate Centre, as well as Westbank, all in the same room, cross-pollinating teams, different ideas from different areas, and just seeing the amount of crossover collaboration and opportunities that this provides for the group to really accelerate and go after what we call moonshots. I think is really amazing.
CodeFest, totally different. It's just illuminating what's next from an IT perspective, and really I'm enjoying the fact that you've taken all the bureaucracy out and put business together with IT and making magic happen.
So it's nice to get around with new devs that we don't know, experience gets shared, it's really cool.
It's a cool environment, it's a very cool concept. And it's a lot more fun to do my work from here than it is to sit at Bank City.
We have to find solutions that make a difference to our customers. What's good for our customers will be good for our businesses. And so, as best as we can, this whole process in accelerating innovation, it can in return help our customers. So, I mean, I was just talking to some of the different teams and some of the ideas that the people have here. I mean, it is amazing that over a period of 24 hours we can do things that would typically, you know, in the industry, if you look around, can take a year or so, and these guys are going to do it over a period of 24 hours.
Very simply, what we're doing is we want to build an expertise in blockchain technology in the bank. We feel that it's something which is going to help us future-proof the bank against threats from non-traditional players, people like Apple Pay, Facebook, who've got a banking license, Google, who've now got banking licenses in 37 states in the US. So we really want to build a skill base, an expertise base in the bank. And the way we're doing it is we're building a trading system which we're going to use in Treasury initially for training purposes, to teach people how to trade, to work in a Treasury environment. And blockchain technology is great for that. We have a ledger, built-in ledger, we can do trades on the blockchain. So that's what we're building.
This is what we do in our spare time. We coders, we love to code, and that's best. Yeah, so very exciting.
Banks are dead, and I really believe that. The way that banks have operated, traditionally a branch-based infrastructure where it's very labor intensive and it's actually hard to get stuff done, that model is dead.
For me, what we're doing at CodeFest is absolutely at the core of what we want to do as a business and should be doing as a business. In fact, I would love us to do this on a daily basis, get all our techie teams like this together the whole time.
I think that CodeFest really talks to the way that an agile team should be working, and you know, agile is more than methodology, it's more principle and practice. And what we see here is, you can look around, you see people sitting in huddles, they're doing work that's not just one discipline, so they're working, they're doing analysis, they're doing testing, they're doing development, they're doing all of those things. And I think that's one of the key aspects of agile, is make sure that people can say, you know what, I'm not just a developer, I'm actually going to think and understand the business problem, I'm going to be able to build a solution that meets that business problem, I'm going to be able to write the test for that so we can test it, we can automate it, all those kind of things. I think what I'm really excited about seeing here is a lot of the teams have started embracing things like continuous build, continuous integration, those sorts of things, to be able to make sure their projects are building as they're building them right here. So I think some really great principles behind agile are being seen in the world right here, where we are right now.
The guys are still going on strong, but they are pushed, understandably so, because it's been a long day and they've been coding, they've been hard at it the whole day, so getting to that point where energy levels are running low, but yeah, we'll pull through.
Yeah, I'm tired and I've got to do the sales pitch, so it's going to be rough.
I'm still fast asleep. Maybe I'll be awake after this breakfast.
It was intense, eh? It's trying to get everything done, but it's pressurized, but then at the end and it's working, it's pretty cool.
Just the general energy in this whole place has been really inspiring. It reminds us why we do what we do.
There's a vibe that's on this floor that says when we leave here and we go back to the office, actually when we do our projects we should do it from a this type of a perspective, where let's huddle around a room or a desk, whatever it may be, and actually just get our work out. It's a lot faster and it's a lot more agile, which is the awesome part. I mean, at the end of the day, like I said just now, this is our factory floor. this is where we push out our widgets at the end of the day. And if these guys are working quicker and faster and more agile, it's ultimately the competitive advantage that we have.